Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification button for more update. Kholofelo Moloto, Shebe's baby mama went live on TikTok explaining her relationship with Shebe and how it started. She also explained that Shebe has always been a hustler since the day they have met. Please guys do subscribe, comment and click the notification button for more update. Thank you.
Because in Ali grade 7, Nickel grade 5, he's 2 years older than me. And then we were friends more Facebook. I'm pretty man, hi man. Hey, Mutolape, usali busy, Shebo, usali busy katleo. And then there was this girl, it's an alien class. Eba jolali mokgotsi a gagwe. And then when you know, I believe I'm going to this guy. Oh, it's one period. Pick a level. Kiri, what? Our about curiosity. Our Katomo Mocheka. Irreligion after on text I got to make a reply. And jump puturo, taking a kusakana luena, Ewan and when I want honey, I get more for a caribon and Nakidullifa, Kidula Davidton. Kidula Davidton, like Matomo, like before I would before Kifika grade 10, for sure grade 9. Kim for a carry Nakidula. Kimang. Hey, I better
She's wife expo.
I will give him for your neck to Limukimutaba. Kitaba like Mula, what's ever age, and Mijola Halio. Sure, you are. Ujola. And they give Mano Evilim Tomolumo, you know, you are. Konya karo ki mukise ke nona kana lo tshedintsi konya karo ke robale le yena awa shapo didn't work and well hardly interest no re ga tsere ke no cheka coast to dintsha awa ra bolela wa tla mo ile re tlhakana for the first time awa ibile re tlhakana sanka mputo re bona ke a ro bolela tshedintsi gore sangena ono wena o mosadi yak first day a senka bolela sel tja gore o tlo hlabolela dinonwane di-paragrapha tshwere ke stress ya rapele no wena o mosadi yak mosadi ya gago mosadi yak awa ya tloga fao Arajola Mara ai no ke se like Rajola Mara re se active ka mkhobe cause ba sa dule moke Thoma ya ba serious batho ba tsebo re yo culturally ke mo lesa le skats culturally skats like everyone and lata skoloni and to sit at the show after school ke ya gagabo Mala somo was serious kid, that's when he moved back. Mohai. Lena I want no relationship here. But serious. Aboya high. Make a sally rust class. And never do like a mookie. I do like tempis. And after metric, the Melini, 1 year. Other metric 2010. 20 ma. You are now better at explaining case. You are. How Rajola until I fell pregnant. I fell pregnant to metric work. And then I gave birth the next year. Give it metric. The next year, 2016. I gave birth.
Part 2. Part 3.
Birthday jaka iban regular present. Lenaka birthday ke regular present like be ke save al child ka ya go care. You remember I was still in high school. A child ka go care ke gona go save like I'm good at saving. Gona go save. Hore ke regular present. Yeah, you make me pregnant yo. Halan tlhokomela like yo. One thing about him gets ever had a pride. And you won't believe it. It was in the income, like Badula Aluwan because Mama Badula Mpumalanga Papa 10 years. He was always a hustler, Ali independent. Kore yo one Sanka ashokale pampas ashokai nix he made sure rekebele okra everything. You won't believe the time I was pregnant. Sevilla Arikisha Menatlana Lidikilada like Abuda his own hustle or complex. But they know everything. They know what.
Part 3.